Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, boys, come, please. Okay, Atif, Abdul Muqsid, Hamza, be ready. Suppose that you are going to open your account and the bank is 7 kilometers away and far from your house. When you reach the bank, you realize that you forgot your documents at home. What will you do in this situation? Listen again. Suppose that you are going to open an account in the bank and the bank is 7 kilometers far from your house. When you reach the bank, you realize that you forgot your documents at home. In this situation, what will you do? Invite Atif.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.
Assalam. Please, brother.
Suppose that I am going to open an account in the bank, and the bank is far away, 7 kilometers from my house, and I reached to the bank. Uh, then I realized that I forgot my documents at my home. What will you do? What will I do in this situation? First of all, I will call to my brother or my best friend, and I will say, uh, my brother or best friend, um, I forgot my documents at my home, and I mm, came and I reached to the bank to open a bank account. Uh, when so please send my documents and on WhatsApp. Uh, on WhatsApp. When my friend or my brother didn't call receive, didn't call receive. Uh, After that, I I will call my father or my sister, and I will say, uh, sister, I uh, I called brother, uh, but my brother didn't call receive, and I forgot my documents at my home. So please send my documents on my WhatsApp, uh, because I am in the bank, and bank manager is going to lunch. So please send early.
Acha, great, mashallah. Spoke well. Abdul Muqsid, shabash.
Assalamu alaikum,
Wa Salam. Yes.
in this situation, first of all, I will call my father and I
No, no,
say,
no. Repeat the situation first.
suppose I am in the bank and I forgot my documents. In this situation, first of all, I will call my father and I will say, send my documents in documents in WhatsApp because I am in the bank uh, and I forgot my documents. Uh, please send my documents in the WhatsApp.
Shaba, great. Hamza, next.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Please.
Suppose I am going to open my account. When I enter the bank, I realize that I have not documents. First of all, I call my parents to send me the photo of documents. If my parents didn't pick up the phone, I go to home to take my documents and I give to the bank to open my account.
Okay, great. Invite Kashif also. Kashif, you speak accordingly.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.
Walaikum salam, please.
Suppose I am going to open the account and the bank 7 kilometers is far from my house. After reaching the bank, I realized that I forgot my documents at my home. So in this situation, first of all, sir, we can solve this situation many ways. First, I will call my any family members and tell him send me my documents because I am in the bank and I have to open the account and I forgot my documents at my home. Please send me. And otherwise, uh, I will come back at my home and I will check my documents and then go again. That's it.
Great. Next situation. Saad, Mubin, and Suhail. Be ready. Everybody of you also try to speak. Okay? Yes. Okay, the people, especially from girls, didn't attend the class yesterday. They may also come. Okay? Suppose that you study abroad and you are going to your university and you reach Delhi. After reaching there, you realize that you forgot your mobile at home. In this situation, what will you do? Listen again. Suppose you are studying abroad and now you are going to your university. When you reach Delhi, you realize that you forgot your phone at home. In this situation, what will you do? You have 10 seconds to think. Invite. Saad, please. Everybody try to speak. Everyone. Saad, आइए, please.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Sir, सवाल भूल गया.
Suppose that you study abroad and now you are going to your university. You reach Delhi. Then you realize that you forgot your phone at home. In this situation, what will you do? Kashif.
When I realize Suppose that when I realize I forgotten my mobile in house, I call my mother. Ca- can give can give my phone with my father, um, with my phone, and my sir नहीं हो.
Why? Try to speak, Babu, okay? Mubin, brother, आओ. साथ बोलिए बाबू, ये तो बोलना सीखना है असल, यही तो असल है. Assalam, please. Walaikum salam.
Suppose I studied in abroad and I forgot my phone at home. So the situation is, when I'm in abroad, I realized that my phone forgot at home. So I first call at home and give the brief about the situation that I forgot the phone. So many contacts, so important contacts in my phone. So if anybody of my relatives are coming for a job in Gulf, so they will change my mobile with them if possible, as early as possible.
Okay. Shabash, great. Next, Suhail.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalam, please.
Suppose that I study in Kerala and now I am going to Kerala and I have visit Bangalore. Then I realized somebody has stolen my mobile. This situation, what will I do? So first of all, I would like to say all of you, if someone stolen your mobile, first, you try to log in your Gmail ID and you try to log in your Play Store, another mobile. And if someone stand in front of me, so I will tell all the problems. Brother, my mobile has somebody stolen. I help you. I need your help. Please give me your mobile only 5 minutes and I will log in my all ID and I will block my all bank account details and I will inform the customer care and I will inform the bank of Broda customer care because my mobile and my UPI ID already logging in my mobile. Please, I request you, you give me your mobile. After 5 minutes, I will give you. Then I will take mobile from him and I will log in my user ID and my password, my Gmail already login. Then I will close my account for few minutes for 13 hour, 14 hour, 24 hours. Then I will give him him mobile and after that when I reach Kerala, then I will buy a new SIM card and I will try to open my account, Facebook, Play Store, and some things, how many ID are using. Then I will verify all details in my mobile because I have no any options to find my mobile.
Great. Mashallah, I spoke well, Suhail. Invite Zakaria.
Thank you, sir.
Shabash. अच्छा बोले Suhail.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalam, please. Speak accordingly.
I I I reached on the university. I reached on the university. I I I forgot my mobile at the home. I I will go in the cyber cafe. I will go in the cyber cafe and said him, give me 1 minute, give me a mobile. After that, I called my parents and said him, and I will said him, I I will buy a new mobile, or my friend is coming here. You mobile him, and he will come here and you mobile me.
Okay, Shawar Bade, you also tried well. Okay, next for Hassanuzzama and Tajuddin, Saddam Qureshi, and everybody, the rest of the people, be ready also. I may invite you as well. Okay. Suppose that you have an appointment on Sunday at passport office. Suppose that you have an appointment on Sunday at passport office, and the passport office is 100 kilometers away from your house, and your car is at service center. Because of the some reason, buses are banned to go here and there. In this situation, what will you do? Listen again. You have an appointment on Monday, not Sunday. You have an appointment on Monday at passport office, and the passport office is 100 kilometers away from your house, and your car is at service station, and the buses and the other vehicles are banned to go here and there. In this situation, what will you do? Hassanuzzama.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Please, brother.
Suppose my appointment on Monday, but my car is service center and buses and other thing also stopped banned. This situation, I called my friend bring to his car. I called my friend and he received my call, and say I say I say to him, bring to your car because my appointment passport office very important. And he told me my car also on friend. Uh, my friend also my car also on friend took and go. And that situation, this time also I call my cousin brother. They have bike. I called, but he picked up my call, and I told them my problem, and he came to my and he came to me, and he picked up to me and went to the passport office.
Okay, Shawar, acha hai. Great. Tajuddin, please.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam.
Suppose that in situations 1 kilometer stations away it is parked there, but no did I go home, but bus I took it to the bank, went to the office, I broke down at service and situation 100 kilometer away it is parked.
Okay, Shahbaz Tajuddin, well tried. Saddam Qureshi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Khairit?
Fantastic.
Suppose that I appointment in passport office in Monday, and my car in a service center, but I booked Ola and I went to the passport office and I with each other. First of all, I submit my paper and I uh, submit my paper and I told me is employed. He my appoint 2 days my appointment. So please uh, please was it
Okay, great, mashallah. Spoke well. Razia Sultana. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Please, Betty.
I have an appointment on Monday to Passport Center. Passport Center is 100 kilometers away at my house, and all vehicles are banned, and also my car is a service center. So what will I do in this situation? So firstly, I'll call you passport support, and I'll explain you everything this situation, because I this all situation every vehicles are banned. So what should I do? Otherwise, support service passport service told me this all situation is declined, you have to come definitely there. So that time I'll manage any vehicle and I'll go to passport center.
Okay, great, Betty. Hassan, आइए.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Islam, please.
Suppose I have appointment at a passport service center and buses are banned and my car is service center. So first of all, I will call my friend and I request that my car is service center. So please pick up me at passport service center. If he replies and accepted my request, so done. Otherwise, I will choose to walk.
Okay, great. But you will get tired if you go walking. अच्छा है. Okay, next situation देखिएगा. Listen, try to speak grammatically also correct. Okay. Yes, now I am not telling you anything about that. I let you speak as you want to speak and as you are speaking. Many of you are committing a lot of mistakes. Okay, some mistakes are acceptable. Everyone makes a mistake, that is a different issue, but try to speak correctly. Okay, use the correct sentence, use the correct tense. That is this matter is related to past, use the past tenses. If the matter is related to the future, try to use the future structures. Okay, keep in the mind while speaking. Okay, the next situation is that suppose that you are in the examination hall and your teacher made the announcement that if somebody has any kind of cheating paper, he or she will be cancelled to attempt and to attend the exam, or I should say his exam will be cancelled. When your teacher comes near you, he or she saw a little paper just beside you and you don't know about that, and your teacher tells you, why did you bring this cheating paper? In this situation, how will you manage all the things? Now let me explain again, it became a little longer. Suppose you are in examination hall and your teacher makes an announcement that if somebody has any cheating paper, his or her paper will be cancelled When your teacher comes to you, he or she sees that there is a cheating paper near you, and he catches that paper and he is asking you, why did you bring it? In this situation, how will you answer, and how will you manage all the things, and how will you explain? Great situation. You have 10 seconds to think. Invite Faz. Faz Alam.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam, please.
Sorry, sir, I didn't listen this situation because I'm going to kitchen to take water.
Okay. Now let me
Yes, sir.
repeat. G. Suppose that you are in the examination hall and your teacher makes an announcement that if somebody has any cheating paper, his paper or her paper, her exam or his exam will be cancelled. When your teacher comes to you, he sees a cheating paper near you, and he catches that paper and he is asking you, why did you bring this cheating paper? In this situation, how will you explain and how will you manage all the things?
In this situation, sir,
Okay, you think. I will invite you after 1 minute. Now
जी
invite
जी सर
Huzaifa. Huzaif. Noshina, wait, Betty. Huzaif. Next, invite Asif.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Please.
Suppose you are in examination hall. Your teacher announcement that there is no cheating his and her. There is no teaching his and her. After some time, teacher will come me and teacher will come me and asking me beside my close friend, this is why beside my close friend, why are you cheating now? I told him, sir, this is your responsibility. Why are you not checking the student when you enter the class, when you enter the classroom, when you enter the exam hall?
ओके ग्रेट बाबू अच्छा है, आप तो टीचर को ही कह रहे हैं आपको, आप टीचर। चलो शाबाश। नेक्स्ट फैज आलम। हाँ भाई, लड़कों में से कोई रहा तो नहीं है जिसका नंबर नहीं आया? देखिए सीधी सीधी अल्फाजों बात सुन लें आप सब लोग। आपसे अगर ये सिचुएशन के जवाब देने नहीं आ रहे, आपको मजीद मेहनत की जरूरत है। सीधी सीधी बात है। ये वो सिचुएशंस हैं जो मार्केट में आपको सडनली बोलनी पड़ सकती हैं, कुछ भी बोलना पड़ सकता है इससे रिलेटेड। तो पता चला बात कहनी है प्रेजेंट की, कह रहे हो पास्ट की, तो कोई सोचेगा शायद कहानी सुना रहे हैं भाई साहब पास्ट की कोई। तो इसलिए जरूरी है कि आप समझिए हर चीज को। समझ रहे मेरे भाई? अब मुझे शौक नजर आएगा नेक्स्ट मंथ तब पढ़ाऊंगा, वरना कैंसिल, आपका बैच खत्म इस मंथ के लास्ट में। ये मैं पहले बता रहा हूँ आपको, ठीक है? इसलिए आप मेहनत करिए दबा के अच्छे से। ये मैं आपको कई बार बात पहले भी बता चुका हूं। आप मेहनत करेंगे तब अगले महीने और पढ़ाऊंगा। कौन सा चल रहा है? जुलाई अगस्त पढ़ाऊंगा, अदरवाइज नो। इसी में जुलाई के एंड में खत्म करके आपको सर्टिफिकेट दे दूंगा, लो भाई। ठीक है, लेकिन अगर मेहनत करेंगे आप तो इंशाल्लाह आपका साथ दूंगा, मैं आगे चलाऊंगा, जो कोई बात नहीं। ठीक है, लेकिन ये चीज सीखनी, ये असल है भाई साहब, दैट इज द मेन थिंग। और फिर आगे चल के थोड़े टॉपिक भी दूंगा आपको अभी। ठीक है, अभी तो मैं थोड़ा सा करीब कर रहा हूँ ताकि आप थोड़ा सा कुछ इस तरह की सडन कोई चीज आए आपको तो उससे बात कर सकें आप। फिर कभी कभी आपको मैं टॉपिक दूंगा बाज़ाब्ता। समझ में आ रहा है जी?
in this situation, sir, I told my teacher I didn't cheating. I didn't have any
No,
cheating,
Faiz,
sir.
listen.
जी सर.
First repeat the situation. देखिए listen, इसमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ये बात भी है कि आप जो सिचुएशन बोली जा रही है उसको याद भी रखिए, क्या बोला जा रहा है उसको रिपीट करिए. जो बच्चा रिपीट कर रहा है उसको इसका मतलब है कि बोलने पे कुदरत रखता है वो. सीधी सीधे अल्फाज में बात. अगर कोई बच्चा सिचुएशन को रिपीट कर रहा है जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब वो समझ भी रहा है माशाल्लाह, और उसके अंदर सलाहियत पैदा हो रही है कि हाँ मुझे ये बोलना कैसे है. डायरेक्ट जवाब नहीं देना है, सिचुएशन को रिपीट करिए पूरा. आप ऐसा हुआ, यूं हुआ, ऐसा हो जाए, वैसा हो जाए, फिर ये होगा, फिर वो, तो इस मैं क्या करूंगा. अब बताइए क्या करोगे. प्लीज फैज.
Sorry, sir. I forget the situation.
Now let me tell, not of issue. Come. Suppose that you are in the examination hall and your teacher makes an announcement that if somebody has any cheating paper, his paper or her paper or exams will be cancelled. When your teacher comes to you, he or she sees that there is a cheating paper near you and he catches that new paper and he or she is asking you, why did you bring this cheating paper? In this situation, how will you explain that you didn't bring that cheating paper? Please.
Suppose you are in the examination hall and the. Sorry, sir. नहीं हो पा रहा.
कोई बात नहीं बाबू, शाबाश, कोई बात नहीं, टेंशन नहीं लेना. इसको कोशिश करना है ना, कोई बात नहीं, परेशान मत हो. देखो कोई बच्चा तो नहीं है. अशरफ को बुलाइए नीचे. अशरफ. Salam, please.
You are on the examination hall and your teacher announcement some people are cheating and he and she cancel the exam and the teacher come your near and speak, why are you bring this cheating paper? What will you do in this situation? First of all, I speak teacher, please check me. I don't have a cheating paper. Please explain me. And I speak, why are you speak me? I don't have a cheating paper.
ओके, अच्छी ट्राई बेटे जी. लड़कों में से तो कोई नहीं है. और हाँ, भी कुछ बच्चियां कल नहीं आई थी. अमतुल मुहीत को बुलाइए. ऊपर 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 ऊपर. यस.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
सलाम, प्लीज बाबू. यू डिडंट कम यस्टरडे?
जी सर. नहीं सर, मैं कल नहीं आई थी.
स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. व्हाई आर यू टेलिंग मैं कल नहीं आई थी? ओके.
Yes sir. I was in the exam hall when my teacher announced that someone was cheating. She came near me and said, I am going to cancel your papers. Then she saw a cheating paper near me and told me, did you bring this paper? Then at that moment, I will try to explain to my teacher, and if she doesn't listen me, I will stay quiet and say, this paper is not me. This paper is not mine. I came to write the exam honestly. Please believe me.
ओके, ग्रेट, माशाल्लाह. रुकैया फातिमा.
Jazakallah, sir.
रुकैया, इनवाइट. आमीन बेटी.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
वालेकुम सलाम, प्लीज.
If I sit in the examination hall and the whole teacher is announcing that no one brings any paper, if someone bring any paper, or if some papers brings, if papers find near someone, then he or she will rusticate in the examination. And coincidentally, when I sit in the examination hall, our teacher comes near to me and he finds a paper near me and he asks to me, why you are bringing this paper? And I replied, no, I am not bringing any paper. I don't know about anything. And I will convince them, but if he or she not agree with my answer, then I will say, please check your camera. And when he will check his camera, then he finds what is truth. And then uh, the truth is, I'm not bringing any paper.
Okay, रुको,
That's
शाबाश,
it.
spoke well, शाबाश। अब देखिए बच्चों, 2-3 बातें लिसन। देखिए सीधे सीधे अल्फाज में मैं आपको बात बता रहा हूँ। आपको करनी है मेहनत। सारे सेंटेंस पता है आपको कौन सा कैसे बनेगा, सब पता है, सब हर एक को पता है आपको कौन सा कैसे बनेगा सेंटेंस। उनको जोड़ना सीखना है आपको, कि जोड़ के कैसे बोलना। एक पास्ट का बनना, एक उसी में एक फ्यूचर की बात आ गई, उसी में प्रेजेंट का आ गया। इसी जोड़ जड़ाव को सीखना है आपको, वही चल रहा है। अगर आपने अब मेहनत कर ली तो इंशाल्लाह ये मेहनत आपको सच में निखार देगी। उसमें वक्त निकालिए आप लोग, ठीक है। माशाल्लाह अभी भी काफी अच्छे बोले हैं बच्चे, ठीक है। लेकिन अब वो वक्त मजीद निकालेंगे तो अल्लाह ने चाहा इसमें काम आपका हो जाएगा, ठीक है। अभी सिचुएशन जिन बच्चों ने नहीं बोली या जिनको लगा कि यार मुझसे बोली नहीं जा रही, तो उसका तरीका ये है, इन सिचुएशंस को लिख लीजिए आप, ठीक है। उसका जवाब देखिए फिर क्या हो सकता है। अब जैसे यही वाली सिचुएशन है, इसका जवाब यही है, सीधी सीधी जो इन्होंने एक रीजन बताया रुकैया ने। भाई कैमरा चेक कर लीजिए, और इस वक्त तो हर एग्जाम हॉल में कैमरा है। जहाँ एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट होते हैं आजकल तो हर जगह कैमरा का रिज्म है, तो पता चल जाएगा कि वो मेरी ही चीटिंग है किसी और की है। दूसरी बात ये है कि वो चीटिंग पेपर मेरे बराबर में रखा है, कि इसका क्या सबूत है कि वो मेरा है, हो सकता है किसी और ने फेंका हो। और दूसरी बात ये है कि मुझे जो याद हो मैं अभी लिख रहा हूँ, कहीं भी बिठा दो, मुझे अपने पास बिठा लो चाहे। समझ में आया? तो इस तरीके से इस सिचुएशन का जवाब दिया जा सकता है। बाकी आप मेहनत करें और खूब जहन चलाइए, और 2-3 और बहुत खूबसूरत से हमारे यूजेज हैं, वो भी इंशाल्लाह आपको मंडे में इंशाल्लाह वो पढ़ाऊंगा, ठीक है। मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।